Okay, I'm back. So, in life, God uses everything. God also owns everything. YouTube and Facebook belongs to him. Though they have their free will, but in the end, everything, everyone will be judged. We are all tools by the Lord. I was already thinking of stopping for a while because of so many reasons. And then I talked to God, and He reminded me of the times I was very discouraged in the kitchen because I don't have patience especially with meat taking like 3 hours until out of desperation, I prayed to Him, to the Holy Spirit, and He made me see this video in YouTube showing how the Mexicans are cooking their meat. They do it overnight. Overnight. And with me, just an hour, I'm already complaining. So after watching that, I saw that patience and consistency are the secrets for all success. So, what am I really targeting here? Nung una, naisip ko pa magkapera eh. Pero yun nga, sabi niya, di mo kailangan yan, ako magpo-provide dun sa gusto mong bigyan. Do your thing. Use the gift I gave you. Alam niyo ba ba't ako nandito? God is after you. He's using this very poor tool, which is me, with all my kabaklaan and kapalpakan. He's using me. Minsan naisip ko na nga, out of desperation ba to Lord? Wala ka na bang magamit? And I know it's not. May sarili akong market eh. Yung mga rebelding bakla na mahilig sa mundo. Yung travel, fashion, good food, good life. Luxury attracts me. Hindi nga. Habang nagbablog nga rito, naiisip ko, summer na, ano ba? Hindi pa ako nakabook. Kaso uma-adjust ang lola nyo, no? Ayoko na ng away. Oo nga, malaki nga yung coverage nung credit card ng asawa ko. Pero minire-review niya yon. Allowed lang ako. Para lang sa mga pagkain. Kahit anong presyo niyan. Basta pagkain, huwag kang babiyahe. Pag babiyahe ka, card mo, gamitin mo. Paano ko gagamitin yung card ko? Sa Pilipinas palang ubos na. Diba? Pero ayoko mag-complain. Mas maganda na yung meron kaysa wala. Dahil dinanas ko yung wala. Yung wala. Walang savings, wala nang pera sa bag. Yung wala na talaga lahat. But He always provides. Yung walang yun, may makikita pa rin ako. Kahit walang-wala na, biglang may isip ko nga pala, no? Original nga pala tong relo ko, masangla nga. My gosh, I went through a lot. But God is faithful. And He is also faithful with you. I'm telling you, sinadya niya sa akin yon dahil masyado akong distracted. Alam mo na, tamad na distracted. Yung kumilos pagdating sa mahihirap na bagay. Like faith. Kaya binigyan ako ng cancer eh. O ayan, nag-decide ka, mamatay ka na o magsiserve ka sa akin? Serve. Diba? Kahit pa paano may bonuses naman si Lord eh. Kaya, do not neglect your faith. Or else maniwala ka. The Lord, to wake you up, will allow the devil to break you. Kaya kung maraming ka problema ngayon, mag-isip ka, ano ba hindi ko sinusunod? I'm telling you. I'm telling the truth here. God is after you. Ganda nga nun eh.